What's up guys, this is going to be a brief overview of Linux Academy, the iOS app. The first screen you're presented with will be any courses you currently have in progress and notifications, and at the bottom you can see you've got dashboard, training, saved and profile. Under the training tab you've got different courses you can choose from, including AWS, Azure, DevOps, Linux, and you can also search in the search bar at the top. Once you've found the course you like the look of, you can click onto it and it'll give you a brief description of the course, and then you can also click go to course for any further information. Once you're in the chosen course that you have selected, you'll be able to see the syllabus, study guides and flashcards for the given subject, in this case Red Hat Certified Engineer version 8. The last tab is the profile tab, which shows you your basic information, offline viewing, any links to any social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.